clean your touch points. Steering wheel, the gear shift, the radio, because you don't know if it's been sanitized. So I always do this just to make sure that I'm in. That screen doesn't look like clean or sanitized. Oh. That's the navigation. Touch screens. Anyway, got my little things. Got my little. Okay. Where's my touch points? Touch points. Little touch points. What a joke it's become, huh? Folks. Anyway, so I've tidied up my little car engine with the Sunnycom, the full aircraft type console cleaning. Condition of this car, and they tell you that it's sanitized and so on, but I'm cleaning everything. Look at this. This is how it looks when I picked up. I don't think they clean. Somebody splashed coffee or whatever that may be, muck. It's terrible. I had to clean everything. It's terrible condition. Dirty. Absolutely dirty seats. Really dirty. It's terrible. Meant to be clean, hygienically clean. They couldn't even find me a car that was clean. Terrible. I had to clean everything, folks. Dirty car. Driver's seat. That's the driver's seat in the car. Don't know what's in the seat. I've been cleaning the car for most, and this is how I got it.